I wanted to have these lines precisely around the circles, and the typical way was the Figma does not provide the rotations of an object based on the path or x and y positions. So the typical way is to do the create a line or shape and then you rotate the object around. That's the typical way. So far this is how I used to do it. Duplicate and then d. But the problem here is that this is not the shortcuts. So what I have found in another way is select an object. I found one plugin called copy and rotate. So as you can see that I have I can put the number of items repeated, apply the rotations. Now good thing is that they have done grouped. It's ready. I'll put it in center and I'll make it large the way I want. The good thing about that, they have done child and parents, so I can go to the master and I can make it smaller. This is a good thing, or maybe time saving for me. Now I can delete the master one anyway. I don't need it here, that's why I just wanted to have all around this, maybe not whole ungroup, detach all the object by pressing option command B, and I don't want also a square around this shape, so I'll ungroup it by pressing command shift G. All good, 2 pixels consistent. Now let's make this color. Looks good. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you.